Hi, I'm Kira, and I'm gonna be videoing my sister's gonna be videoing me. So let me hand it over to her. All right, here we go.
You ready?
Bak, bak.
You're a dork.
Bak, bak, ready. I miss your smile, and I feel shitty here every once in a while. Even if I'm now, you're still here somehow. I won't let you go, and I need you to know I miss you. Sha-la-la-la, I miss you.